Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video, I will explain how to remove my AI on the Snapchat. So let's start the process. Open your Snapchat. Now, tap on this message icon to go to your inbox. So before starting the process, let me tell you one thing. There is no way by which you can directly remove the AI from your Snapchat inbox. But if you are using the Snapchat Plus feature, then you can easily remove the AI from that. But if you're not using the Snapchat Plus, then I have a way. By using that, maybe you will be able to remove my AI on your Snapchat app. So let's start the process. Again, tap on your profile icon, which is on the left top. Again, tap on the setting icon, which is at the right top. Scroll it down and tap on the option I have as suggestion. From here, tap on the second option, friends, and here write your issue like I'm writing. Tap on choose topic. Select this chats. Now tap on the option submit. So now Snapchat team will help you in removing your AI from your Snapchat. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.